12 incredible gadgets that will blow your mind. Hello and welcome to Smart Gadgets Uncovered. Get ready because what you're about to witness isn't your average gadget roundup. Today, I've assembled the absolutely mind-blowing innovations that push technology into the future. From mini computers powerful enough to handle AAA games that fit in your pocket to drones that land on water and follow you autonomously, locks that scan the veins in your palm, portable power stations that last nearly 2 decades, and even holograms you can touch and manipulate with your bare hands. It's all right here in this video. Hover Air AQUA. Let's dive right in with something that redefines what a drone can do. Picture yourself at the beach, cruising on a lake, or even out on the open ocean, and you pull out a camera that isn't afraid of water, it thrives in it. The Hover Air AQUA is the world's first fully waterproof autonomous flying camera engineered to take off and land directly on water. Its secret weapon is neutral buoyancy. Just place it on the surface and it floats there, waiting for your command. What happens if a wave flips it over? No worries. It features the incredible total flip mode. It automatically rights itself and takes off like nothing happened. The best part, you don't need to pilot it constantly because it includes a compact device called the Lighthouse, which acts as an invisible tether between you and the camera. With it, the AQUA knows precisely where you are and tracks you using a sophisticated system combining RTK and computer vision, keeping you centered in every frame. All this packed into a drone that captures 4K footage at 100 frames per second, handles winds up to level 7, reaches speeds of 55 kilometers per hour, and incredibly weighs under 250 grams. Plus, right from the water, you can review your shots, adjust settings, and watch a live preview on its integrated display. ACEMAGIC AD08. The ACEMAGIC AD08 proves that raw power doesn't require a massive tower taking up half your desk. This mini-gaming PC is a compact beast packed with a 12th generation Intel Core i9-12900H processor under the hood, ready to demolish any AAA title with its 14 cores and 20 threads running at speeds up to 5.0 GHz. What does that translate to? Lightning-fast gaming, buttery smooth streaming, and effortless multitasking. All from a machine you can easily bring to a LAN party. It comes loaded with 32 GB of DDR4 RGB RAM that not only looks stunning but guarantees flawless performance. Paired with a 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD for nearly instant load times, your entire game library, mods, and media collection fit comfortably inside. This is portable gaming power redefined. FlexiVol. Now imagine being in an anatomy class, and instead of flipping through a textbook, there's a human heart floating right in front of you, beating, rotating. And the incredible part is you can spin it, explore every chamber, and manipulate it with your own hands. That's what FlexiVol delivers, a technology that transforms science fiction into everyday reality. These volumetric holograms require no glasses, no special controllers, no intermediate screens, just air and projected light from a patented nanomaterial system generating 3D images visible from any angle. And they don't just look real, you interact with them directly. The applications are limitless. Museums where artifacts float and visitors can examine them up close. Classrooms where students learn by touching 3-dimensional models. Even advertising that invites customers to engage and play with products before buying. It's a tactile experience that blurs the boundary between the physical and virtual worlds. With FlexiVol, holograms evolve from movie magic into practical tools. TCL D2 Pro. Imagine arriving home and forgetting all about keys, passcodes, or even fingerprint scanners. You simply hold up your hand and like magic, the door unlocks. That's the smart lock TCL D2 Pro. It doesn't rely on fingerprints or facial recognition. Instead, it uses something far more futuristic, the vein patterns in your palm. Yes, your own blood flow becomes the most secure and personal key imaginable. It's instantaneous, hygienic, and virtually impossible to replicate. But there's more. Every time someone opens the door, you receive an instant notification on your phone. Through the TCL Home app, you can control everything remotely. Expecting a guest or delivery, send them a temporary code and you're all set. You can even review access history and feel like the digital guardian of your home. Plus, it features a built-in doorbell and works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can use voice commands to lock or unlock the door or simply ask if it's secure. BLUETTI Premium 200 V2. The BLUETTI Premium 200 V2 is portable power pushed to the extreme. With a 273.6 watt-hour capacity and 2,600 watt output with peaks reaching 5,200 watts, this compact powerhouse can energize up to 9 devices simultaneously, making it the ultimate solution for camping trips, travel adventures, or keeping your home operational during blackouts. Its durability is exceptional. It uses automotive-grade LFP batteries that guarantee over 6,000 charge cycles, That equals approximately 17 years of lifespan before any capacity loss. All this with multi-layer protection, designed to operate safely even in extreme temperatures. For recharging, it's remarkably fast. Thanks to Turbo Boost technology and integrated MPPT modules, it hits 80% battery in just 50 minutes using dual AC plus DC charging. If you're mobile or off-grid, you can harness solar power with the same efficiency. Best of all, this power comes in an ultra-compact, easily transportable format with an upgraded app that lets you monitor usage in real time, optimize charging patterns, and customize your experience. Or a Triple Aero. Let's shift to productivity. Ever feel like your laptop screen just isn't enough when you're working? The Aura Triple Aero Pro Max is the ultimate answer. This portable system deploys 3 additional 15.6-inch screens in seconds, transforming your laptop into a full-fledged futuristic workstation. You connect it effortlessly with a USB-C cable, or if you want professional-grade performance, use mini HDMI, and within seconds you have a setup straight out of a sci-fi movie. Don't worry about power. It includes its own 65-watt supply, so everything's under control. The best part? It doesn't matter if you're Team Mac or Team Windows because this gadget works with everyone, from classic Intel processors to Apple's M1, M2, M3, and even the latest M4 chips. Each screen is IPS Full HD with HDR support, delivering vibrant colors and eye protection features because they know you'll be staring at them for hours. MindOne Pro. The MindOne Pro is an AI smartphone that literally fits in the palm of your hand. It's the size of a credit card. Imagine a device with a 4-inch AMOLED screen protected by sapphire crystal, ultra-resistant to scratches and drops, with precision curved edges that make it both sleek and durable. But what truly sets it apart is what's inside. Android 15, the IKO AI system, and most impressively, built-in global internet without contracts or SIM cards. Just power it on and you're connected anywhere in the world. If you prefer, you can insert your Nano SIM to pair it with your regular line. The camera is remarkable. A 50-megapixel Sony sensor that rotates 180 degrees, perfect for selfies or capturing the world from any angle. And if you love music, the pressure case with high-fidelity DAC and QWERTY keyboard transforms this tiny phone into a productivity and entertainment powerhouse that fits in any pocket. LOOPDOT Flashlight. If you thought a flashlight was just for illumination, wait until you see this. The LOOPDOT is a complete tech toy in EDC format that transforms something as ordinary as a flashlight into an irresistible gadget. Imagine having a light in your pocket with dual functionality. In spotlight mode, it blasts up to 400 lumens, reaching 100 meters, perfect for lighting things up like you're carrying a portable lighthouse. In floodlight mode, it delivers 270 lumens with a CRI of 90, meaning colors appear so accurate you could identify the exact shade of a painting in total darkness. The real fun is switching modes, no clunky buttons, just a flick of your wrist thanks to its built-in motion sensor. And if that's not enough, the body features an RGB pixel screen that not only displays battery status or timers but also lets you play minigames on it. Flash Pro Ultra. The Flash Pro Ultra is the external battery that redefines what it means to carry power in your pocket. It's the world's smallest 275-watt power bank, a power monster compressed into an ultra-portable design that's up to 20% lighter than other high-end batteries on the market. It was refined based on feedback from over 15,000 backers who helped elevate the brand's best-selling model. The most incredible aspect is its versatility. With it, you can charge nearly anything, from smartphones and laptops to drones and wearables, all with surprising speed. Its 6 simultaneous outputs include 3 high-speed USB-C PD 3.0 ports, a 60-watt USB-A, a 15-watt MagSafe-compatible wireless charger, and even a built-in dock to recharge your Apple Watch or Samsung Watch, depending on the version. Before we continue with even more incredible gadgets, if you're enjoying this tech showcase, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest innovations. Trust me, what's coming next is absolutely worth sticking around for. Aboto. Aboto is far more than just a lamp. It's like a luminous companion that transforms how you wake up, unwind, and even express emotions. Instead of those jarring alarms that shock you awake, Aboto simulates a natural sunrise, gradually illuminating to sync with your body's rhythm and help you wake refreshed with less stress and more energy. But it's not only for mornings. At night, Aboto becomes a sleep ally with relaxing white noise like ocean waves or crackling campfire sounds, plus a soft glow that creates the perfect atmosphere to chill and drift off peacefully. The most enjoyable part, Aboto is also a creative canvas. You can design pixel art, light animations, custom messages, or interactive effects and upload them with one tap to give your space a unique personality. Hoto Snap Block. If you're into DIY, 3D printing, or just love creating with your hands, the Hoto Snap Block is like having a precision lab in your pocket. This mini drill is designed especially for post-processing 3D printed parts, but its versatility makes it perfect for almost any project. With it, you can smooth edges, drill with surgical precision, or customize your creations with a flawless finish. The best part? It's not just a tiny drill. It features 3 adjustable speeds for total control depending on the material, whether wood, plastic, thin aluminum, or even jewelry. Its brushless motor is pure engineering excellence, delivering more power with 20% less energy consumption and a lifespan 6 times longer, plus an instant response that starts in just 10 milliseconds, meaning precision from the very first touch. It includes a set of 20 high-precision M2 bits in a compact, elegant case, and features an innovative modular snap block storage system. EcoFlow RIVER 3 Plus. Speaking of real portable power, the EcoFlow RIVER 3 Plus is like having your own power plant in a backpack. This power station doesn't just keep your gadgets running during outages. Thanks to its ultra-fast switching system under 10 milliseconds, it protects your home office or gaming setup like a professional UPS. Imagine gaming, editing, or working when the lights go out, and you don't even notice because everything keeps running seamlessly. Plus, it alerts you with LED lights, app notifications, and even software compatible with PCs or NAS systems, so your data stays protected. With a base output of 600 watts that can surge to 1,200 watts via X-Boost mode, you get 7 different ports to plug in everything from your laptop, car charger, and phone to small appliances. And here's the kicker. It runs ultra-quiet at just 30 decibels, quieter than a whisper, so you won't even notice it's there. There you have it. We explored holograms you can manipulate with your hands, cameras that launch from water, power stations lasting over a decade, multi-tools for wilderness survival, and compact innovations like ring mice and microscope cameras that surprise with their ingenuity. Some are essentials for daily life, others are luxuries that spark curiosity, and several feel like previews of what's arriving in the coming years. Now here's the important part. If you found even one gadget in this video that blew your mind, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, but helps this channel tremendously. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'm constantly hunting down the most cutting-edge tech that you won't find anywhere else. Also, I want to hear from you. Which gadget was your absolute favorite? The amphibious drone, the palm scanning lock, the triple screen laptop extension, or that emotional lamp? Drop your answer in the comments right now because I read every single one, and your feedback helps shape future videos. Thanks for watching Smart Gadgets Uncovered, and I'll see you in the next one with even more mind-blowing innovations.